Good morning! Hello, guys. Do you know what day is today? Yeah, it's a happy Friday, and today is the very last day of school. Well, before Christmas. I hope you're doing just fine and great and happy, okay? I love you so much, and I wish you a Merry, Merry, Merry Christmas. Okay, guys. Yesterday we had been talking about colors. Right here we have 4 colors. We have color red, we have color yellow, we have color blue, and we have color green. Is one of this your favorite? My favorite is blue, but I like green, yellow, red, and also purple and orange. I love I don't know. I like black. Not always, but I like it. I like pink. I like white. Well, let's see what we have to do today. It says on activity 24, you can see a rainbow. Right here, this one is a rainbow. Okay, it says activity 21, what is your favorite color? Read and trade the song and color the picture. Lee, traza la canción y colorea la imagen. Dice, my favorite color is blue. How about you? Okay. My favorite color is blue. How about you? My favorite color is red. I like red. My favorite color is red. I like red. My favorite color is red. I like red. Colors. What's your favorite color? Okay, and now you will color this rainbow with your favorite colors, okay? And right here in the side, if you see, you have a link. You can click right here, and it's gonna let you just write where the song is, okay? And you can sing along at home. Okay, guys, that's all for today. I hope you have a great Christmas vacation. I love you, and I hope all your parents and all around you are having a great time. Okay, I love you guys. Merry Christmas. Bye bye.